What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $102,000. We're up about 4% on the day. What we're going to be doing is looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Number one thing we're paying attention to and looking at here, guys, is this being our weekly high or low. That's the most important thing, that we hold $91,400. Now the next most important thing that I'm looking at is the retest of our previous all-time high of that $108,000. We have to see how we react in there, if we're going to set a lower high or if this is the time that we're going to go up to those blue sky breakouts. So a lot happening this week. So far it's early in the week, but the candle is looking good. Today the volume has been looking nice. Overall, we're above average on volume. Our trading volume over the last 24 hours is $49.11 billion. So looking great there. We're up above our 20-week simple moving average in green, above our 50 in red, up above our 200 in white. If we turn on our Lux algo, prior week's low is the major support area that we need to hold. We need to close this week's candle up above the prior week's high, which is going to be at $99,000, is another big area for us. So you can see the size of this bounce and what takes place in here is going to determine if we set this lower high and then we get into an equilibrium, which may give altcoins a turn or some time to run a little bit if we bounce around in that area, or if this is still Bitcoin's time to shine, we're just going to break right up through that. So far, everything's looking great for us. If we get into our indicators, money flow is going to be at a positive 0.31 Chaikin money flow, which is going to be in green here. On our lazy bear squeeze, we're still in the green. There's no issues there. And on the MACD, everything's still looking good. We have not gotten that downside cross. If we get into the technicals, which is another good one for us to always pay attention to, and you want to start on the monthly time frame, we have a 3 sell, an 8 neutral, and a 13 buy. Overall summary is a buy. On the 1 week, we have a strong buy. And on the 1 day, we have a strong buy. And that's what I always like to look at, is the biggest time frame first and work your way down to the daily chart. So you're going to be looking at the largest time frames that are most important in the market, that monthly, weekly, and daily. And so far for Bitcoin, guys, we're just going to continue to stick to our hypothesis here of Bitcoin's going to be going higher, in my opinion. You know, could we get in this equilibrium? Absolutely. But I still feel like Bitcoin has legs in this bull market, and we're going to go up and we're going to get to some higher price levels, especially in this Q1 of 2025. But that's just my opinion, guys. You let me know down low what you think. Wanted to give you a quick update here without all the alerts and the screaming on thumbnails and everything that gets people going crazy. So just stick to the course. Keep your head. It's the best thing that you can do. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.